have a city of almost 16,000 residents. Thriving little community. We have 3 lakes within corporate city limits. Just a nice, quiet, small town. The Indiana feel with some lakes and streams and a fun place to be. Elements for us, we do anything from our entire road network for our planning, for our yearly road programs, our pavement preservation programs, as well as the quality of our streets. To our field crews, it's extremely valuable because we know what we're up against before we go out. You know, if we create a work order at a specific address or on a specific stormwater line, the guys are able to look it up, see what the material they're using, you know, whether it's PVC, an old brick structure, when the last maintenance was on it, what the size of the pipe is. All that information is right here at the click of their fingertips before they ever even go to the job site.
I use it daily while I'm with the trash route, and I'm able to communicate back to the office what we've done so that we don't have to call them on the radio all the time or stop and use our cell phones. I'm able to input the info here and they immediately see it. And that makes life a whole lot easier for us.
We get around 300 to 400 calls per month. Our first go-to is to go to Elements to see if the route drivers have entered in any type of information where there was an issue, you know, what the game plan is to get it taken care of.
If it's a recordable, you know, asset is in our Elements system. Really speeds up the interdepartment relations. We used to wait on cut permits and stuff to be issued and then approved and then copied, sent down here to, you know, via mail. Now it's instantaneous.
Pretty much all of our permits are now online through Connect. It puts it on one spot so that the engineer can see the drawings that the planner's looking at and not chasing each other around.
We use Elements as the #1 tool to help bridge the ordinances and the safety rules that the city has forth and the community. So Elements helps us engage with them on a 24-hour basis. So if they have any questions, citizens' concerns, if they have an emergency sewer tap, the Elements program helps them be able to apply for that permit at home 24/7. So they don't have to wait for the business hours 8 to 4. They can also do as many things as they want. They can apply for the permit, they can pay for the permit, and they can actually communicate with our office back and forth. A lot of the information that we generate in our office, we can then upload to the Elements portal, and it just really educates the community on what is a fence permit, what is a sewer tap permit, and why do I need it, and how does it help me when I go to sell my house, when I go to get a homeowner's insurance, things like that. So the educational tool that came with Elements, I think wasn't even expected, but it has been huge.
We try to go above and beyond. The city's creed is, you know, to live, work, and play, and that's what we try to do, is make sure that Warsaw stays a place that is you're able to live, work, and play and enjoy it.